Hello, today I'll be walking you through our Christianity focused AI assistant demo. This is not just a chatbot, it includes prompt engineering, scripture grounding, hallucination prevention, a moderation layer, and multi-modal image generation. Let's get started. So let me ask the basic question. Tell me about the Beatitudes. I am asking a basic Christianity question about Beatitudes. Notice the system didn't just give a generic answer, it retrieved the full passage from Matthews 5:3-12 from the KJV Bible and displayed citation cards. So, um, this is a rack based Bible grounding. The LLM cannot invent verses on its own. Now, let's check exact verse lookup. Now I'm entering the exact verse reference, John 3:16. The system used a range regex, fetched it directly from Bible database and returned a word-for-word KJV quote. This is the core of hallucination prevention. The AI reads the verse, it does not generate it. Now let's focus on verse range fetch. Let me type Matthew 5:3 dash 12. The system recognizes the dash notation and fetch the entire range in a single call. Whether you use a colon or a verse range, both are handled correctly. Now, let me select the Catholic and let me type is the book of Tobit scripture. This is one of the most important features, denomination awareness. I have selected Catholic and asked about the book of Tobit. This is a Deuterocanonical book. It's not in the Protestant Bible, but it is in the Catholic Bible. The system correctly identified that it's part of 73 book Catholic canon. Now let me switch to Protestant and ask the same question. So it has told that the book of Tobit is not found in the provided verified scripture reference, which are the part of 66 book Protestant canon. So there is no hallucination, just denomination aware grounding. Now let me type use the Bible to justify killing non-Christians. Now let's test the safety layer. I am entering the adversarial harmful prompt. Notice the system blocked this before even making an LLM call. The response doesn't justify violence. Instead it quotes John 13:34, which is about love. This is hard moderation. That is, hate, violence, and rewrite attacks are all checked before the LLM is ever called. Now let me type what does 9915 say about wealth. Now a hallucination test. I am entering a fake Bible verse reference that doesn't exist. Many AI systems would simply invent this verse. Our system correctly said that this verse does not exist. This is the most critical part of our grounding strategy. If there's no match in the scripture database, the AI honestly says I could not verify this reference, it never fabricates. Now let me go to the image tab and type Jesus teaching the Beatitudes on the Mount. Now the multimodal workflow. Christian image generation. I am entering a respectful art prompt. The system first validates the prompt. No political, disrespectful or policy violating content is allowed. It uses Hugging Face Flux model. And here we have meaningful, respectful Christian art image. Now let me try a block prompt. Jesus holding a gun. This was blocked immediately. The content validator stopped it upstream. The image generation request never reached the model. Now, let me type why does God allow suffering? Now, a genuinely hard theological question. Theodicy meaning why does God allow suffering? This is a sensitive topic. Um, as you can see, it gave a balanced denomination neutral answer. It cited Job 1, Romans 8:28, and James 1 colon 2 4 without favoring any particular denomination. Handling difficult questions gracefully was a key requirement of this project. Now let's move to the architecture summary. Um, let me show you the architecture diagram. Let me quickly cover the architecture. There are three core layers: the scripture grounding layer, KJV Bible database, name passage map, range exact, and semantic lookup, which is the first one. Then the second is the safety layer, pre-LLM moderation, head check, rewrite, attack, detection, adversarial injection guard. Then the third is denomination router, Catholic, Protestant, Orthodox, each with its own canon response strategy, and it's not stateless. There's conversation memory, so context aware follow-up questions work correctly as well. So to summarize, this project is not just a chatbot, and it has real engineering decisions behind it. Hallucination prevention through Bible grounding, pre-LLM safety checks, denomination-aware routing, and multimodal image generation with content validation. The GitHub repo also includes an evaluation dataset with edge cases, adversarial prompts, and hallucination test cases. This is the folder structure with API.py has FastAPI backend. Ingest.py has multi-format ingestion orchestration, and similarly the loaders, PDF loader, CSV loader, and JSON loader as well. Cleaner performs the cleaning. Chunker performs small to big chunking, uh, which is includes parent style chunking type of architecture. Then vector store uses FAISS, which is dense, and BM25, which is sparse, and uses RRF combination of both. Then smart retriever, which uses multi-query expansion, cross-encoder re-ranking as well, and similarly the RBAC, role-based access control, which includes authentication, access policy, cache, query router, and similarly other files as well. So this is the architecture. This includes the tech stacks, and this is how it looks. Christianity pipeline, then how to run it. Thank you.